Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's see one of the gate question which was asked in the year 2015 on the concept of state queuing diagram. Let's see the question. The maximum number of processes that can be in the ready state for a computer system with n CPUs is, right? Which means they are asking that we have a ready state. In this ready state, how many number of maximum processes might be existing? That is what their question. If we have n CPUs, right? Observe, from ready state to you are moving to running state. Right? If we have n CPUs, means you will get n running states, right? Am I right? So running state 1, running state 2, and so on. Running state, n running states will be existed if you have n CPUs. The question here is the maximum number of processes that will be in the ready state. They are asking. Do you think that is there any effect or is there any relation between this number of running states and the ready state? There will not be any relation, which means I can say it as independent of value of n, right? Observe, but suppose for example the maximum number of processes that are present in CPU, or any running state for a computer system with n CPUs means answer will be n for that, right? Hope you understood this video clearly. Thank you.